Ever wanted to get stronger without stepping foot in a gym? No dumbbells, no machines, just your body and some space at home? That's calisthenics, and it's the perfect way to start building strength if you're a beginner. So, what exactly is calisthenics? It's a form of training that uses your own body weight as resistance. Exercises like push-ups, squats, planks, and pull-ups are all part of calisthenics. These simple movements can be adjusted to match your fitness level, making them suitable for almost anyone. The best part is that it's completely free. You don't need a gym membership or expensive equipment, just consistency and dedication. Before jumping into the workout, it's important to have the right mindset. Focus on proper form rather than speed. Start small and progress gradually. Consistency is more important than intensity. Even just 10 minutes of training a day can add up to significant results over time. Here's a simple beginner-friendly routine you can do at home. Start with push-ups. Perform 3 sets of 5 to 10 repetitions to work your chest and arms. If regular push-ups are too difficult, you can drop to your knees and perform an easier variation. Next, do bodyweight squats. 3 sets of 10 to 15 repetitions. Squats help strengthen your legs and glutes. Make sure to keep your chest up throughout the movement. Then move on to plank holds. Complete 3 rounds of 20 to 40 seconds each. Planks strengthen your core, so focus on keeping your back straight and your body aligned. After that, perform glute bridges. 3 sets of 10 to 12 repetitions. This exercise is excellent for strengthening your lower back, glutes, and hamstrings. If you have access to a pull-up bar, add negative pull-ups to your routine. Perform 3 to 5 repetitions. Jump up to the top position and lower